Ved Nayyar was born in 1933 in Lyallpur, Punjab. The partition uprooted Nayyar's family, and they shifted to New Delhi. Nayyar graduated from St. Stephen's College, Delhi University in 1952. He then went on to receive a diploma in Fine Arts from College of Art, Delhi. Environment has been a major inspiration for Nayyar's works. A close relationship with a jungle close to his childhood home prompted his earliest creative urges. He was initially a painter, but he later turned to other mediums like sculpture, installation, photography and printing in his works. The human figure is another inspiration and concern for Nayyar. His first works were made up by abstract derivations and ritual symbolism, but the works developed into an iconic figure of an elongated human form, mostly a female, that dwelt in the space between heaven and earth. Environment concerns such as cultural globalization and mass consumerism influenced his works. His engagement with the quest for immortality sweeps away cultural dimensions of the sacred and the profane, the local and the global. From the 80s, Nayyar's installations were born out of a desire to create an environment for his sculptures. Drawing is also an important medium in Nayyar's work. He has held many solo exhibitions in India and participated in several group and international exhibitions including Pictorial Space Wounds by Chima, To Encounter Others Germany. Contemporary Indian art organized in Japan, 5th and 8th Triennial India, and International Workshop on Art and Ecology, Max Muller, New Delhi. He also designed Citation Trophy for Jawaharlal Nehru Award for International Understanding presented to Secretary-General of United Nations. Nayyar won the 1981 Lalit Kala Academy National Award for his sculpture.
For more video, subscribe our channel and switch the bell button all. I hope you like the video. Please like and share. Thank for watching.